Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to flip an image in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Once you do that, you can tap on projects at the bottom of the screen and select the design. You have the image you want to get flipped. Now, all you have to do is select the image on the screen and scroll a bit. Now you can see there's a flip option right between crop option and animate option. Tap on it and you can see you can flip it horizontally or vertically. And guys, that's it. That's how you flip image in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.